Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Kyle of Chase and Makes. Thanks for joining me. In this episode, we are going to be taking some ice skates and seeing what we can do with them. As an upcyclist, I always have this idea of taking this steel, I looked it up online, I think it's high carbon, and making knives out of it. I don't know, I'm kind of winging this one, but sometimes that makes my best project, so check it out. Oh God! Oh God! Come on, ice skate! Get in there! Okay. Did you see that? That was insane! That was actually insane! It was like a volcano shooting up. Wow, okay. Work on it a little bit more. That chamfer isn't perfect, but it's kind of hard to make these things perfect just by eye like that. But I like that shape. I think it's kind of cool, and it fits into the hand. I like more geometric shapes in the hand than a circle or things, because I always kind of like that. It feels like it gives me more surface area to grip than just a circle or an oval or something. So I think that's cool. Without being fully sharpened, I present to you my ice skate Delrin knife. Remember, stop upcycled, guys. See you later.